Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a video about how to change an air filter on your Honda Logo. And I've just bought the filter, it was cost me $40. And I'm just going to show you the basics, like what you need to know, some of the different things about it. So yeah, if you just keep tuned and just watch, and I'll show you how it's done. So first of all, you want to make sure that your car is not on. So you want to turn the ignition key off. This is done because you don't want to have your car running while you are under the hood, and if you remove the filter and there's any dust there, you're going to have dirt getting sucked back into the intake, which is what you're trying to avoid in the first place. So what I do is always make sure that the car is off. Okay, and then secondly, depending on your vehicle, because this is a Honda, so it's very simple, but this will probably cover most vehicles with similar air filter elements. So anyway, there's a pull tab here. So you want to pull that so you can open the front of the car. Then you want to go to the front, find the latch, the release latch to open the car. Let's tuck this down. Do that. Make sure that everything's alright. Now, what you want to do is you want to remove the filter that's in there originally. So there's 4 clips. There's one at the back, and one in the front, 2 in the front, and then one right at the back on the side over there. Now, it's most probably going to be quite difficult. All you do is you just lift this up. You don't have to take it all the way out. Just lift it enough so you can squeeze the filter out like that. So it'll come out like that on an angle, not too hard. Now, if you look at this one, there's a lot of crap in this filter. It's pretty black, to be honest, so that's going in the rubbish bin. Then I'll open up the new one. We'll have a look at what it looks like. The new one's nice and clean. We'll chuck that in. Just do the reverse of removing it. When you put the filter in, you want to make sure that it's seated properly, so it sits in the hole, in the grooves. It's not sticking out or bulging, so when you close the top of it, it's not going to squeeze and there's not going to dirt going to go past the filter. You just want to redo all the clips that you took off originally. Once that's all done, that's pretty much it. I'm going to make another video about cleaning the throttle body. I'll do that in the future. Both the throttle body and the EGR valve. I want to clean those as well, which will be in a future video. I just find it very interesting. I bought this car off of a friend, so it wasn't that expensive, and it cost me about $500, so it was quite a good deal. So what you want to do is you want to dispose of your old filter element properly. Take it to a rubbish dump or something, so it should be fine. then just do the reverse. Close the top, click it back in, and close it up. Then you go start the car. Get in, give it a go. Now you should have not extremely high fuel efficiency or anything, but you should notice a significant change in the amount of fuel that you use and stuff like that. So when you've got a dirty filter element, what happens is you've got the air going in is obviously not being filtered, but also you've got the problem of you're using more fuel because the car is overcompensating for the lack of air, so it pumps more fuel in because it thinks that there's not enough air. It's in the same way if you had a carbureted car and you don't have enough air going in, you'd starve the car and you'll use more fuel. That's how a choke works. So you want to always check that your filter element in your air box is clean, and that you replace it at a certain number of miles, like according to your user manual, or just check it like I did. Mine was pretty dirty, so I changed it. So you just got to really take like common sense sometimes. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to make some more videos about the Honda logo. And yeah, in the future, just anything, if you have any questions about Honda logos or Honda Civic or Honda Cities, I own all three cars, so just give me a message and I'll be happy to answer any questions like that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, have a good day. See ya.